What's up you guys, my name is Mac Marshall and this is You Move by Mac. In today's video I want to talk all about core strength and how you can be designing your training in such a way that you maximize your core strength. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into it.
Yeah, let's go. I don't wanna break down, always feel like I could break now, but I never let it take me to that place now. I won't ever let my thoughts get away.
Now we all know that the core is a group of muscles around your entire torso, front, back, that is maintaining the stability of your body. When we talk about core strength, many people think that doing exercise such as crunches and all are effective in building core strength. Yes, to some extent they are effective in building core strength, but remember, the main function of the core is to stabilize your body. So try to perform exercises that focus on the stability part of your core. When we perform exercises that challenge the stability part, we're actually training our core to be more functional, and it can be more functional and help us perform day-to-day activities. Now when we talk about stability exercises, the number one exercise that comes to mind is the plank. Yes, everybody knows about the plank and it is an amazing exercise for building core strength. Now many people think that if you're able to hold a plank for longer and longer and longer, that means your core strength is becoming stronger. That may not be true. If you can hold a plank for up to 2 minutes, you have good core strength. If you can't, try to work on holding a plank for at least 2 minutes. As you can see, this guy is trying to maintain a plank for as long as possible. Now the problem with that is after a certain period of time, he cannot do it, and so he is continuously moving and not able to maintain the correct form. As a physical therapist, I can tell you that the form is very important and it should never be compromised. The fact is that his core is fatigued and he cannot maintain the plank any longer, but he's using other muscles and performing other movements in order to try to maintain this posture. Compromising his form, he's risking his body for injury, as well as because his core is not contracting effectively, you know that rep is useless. So what is the point of trying to maintain a long plank if your core is not engaged 100% throughout the entire duration of the plank? That is why I'm going to give you a recommendation of how I think you should be performing the plank for the best and most effective contraction of your core. I want you to do the plank for 2 minutes, then take rest, and after that do again for another 2 minutes. When you're taking rest, you're giving your muscles rest and you're giving it time to replenish. So when you go to do the next rep, your muscles are back stronger and they can effectively contract and provide proper stability throughout the entire 2 minutes that you are doing it again. Now this is going to be much more effective in building core strength and building muscle strength, because your muscles are working to the maximum through every second of that rep. So that is why I suggest focus on getting up to 2 minutes. After you reach a point of 2 minutes, then you just break it up into 2 minutes with a break maybe of 30 seconds to 1 minute, and then again do another 2 minutes. After you reach to the point where you can effectively do a 2 minutes plank multiple times with breaks, you can do multiple variations of the plank in order to challenge your core stability. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you some of the variations of the plank which can challenge your core stability. So I urge you to work on building your core stability strength while performing activities, during sports, during weightlifting, any kind of thing that you are doing. A stronger core stability is going to prevent injuries, and the chances of injuries occurring are going to reduce.
Yeah. Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes, but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone, that's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. Here I won't ever let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off best friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand, need help. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me if I yelled.
It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright.
Always feel like I could break now, but I never let it take me to that place now. I won't ever let my thoughts get away now. I got better things to do, picking fate now. I just wanna be the best, call me great now. I don't know if I'm okay or insane now. I remember better days on the playground, hoping I can find my way to even when I'm feeling down. I fight, even when I don't know what is right. I'ma pick a side, and I'ma take pride. I will decide my fate, and I will never let them tell me who.
If you like that video, guys, be sure to like, share and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you are notified when I post more informative videos like this. Also, I'm trying to reach a goal of 100 subscribers, so please help me get to that goal by hitting that subscribe button and sharing this video. Thank you.
I'm alone.